Jack, if you bought that up there, you'd have only 3/4 of the problem.
Don't, Jack. It looks a bit better than your car. I like it. I'd have There's a bike with a fez. Yeah, you get that bike.
No, I'd rather not.
So hard to get. Sure thing. What about that mini dealer?
What mini? Where?
Be that fucking pile.
Every mini's a pile.
Oh, there is actually a mini in here.
Well, yeah, this Volvo's got one in here. No, fucking like 3 goes there. No, the bike is in fact, the machine is there.
There's actually a mini.
Look
at that red one. Oh, it's black with red bonnet.
Alright mate, what do you want out of it?
Wheels and back lights, mate.
It's still got gears, because if it fires up, or what?
It'll not fire up, trust me.
Take back stuff from Jack, don't fuck about with it.
You never know. Turn battery off, do they?
It's because they don't want it, no one wants it.
What would you do if I did that?
Of course they would do.
I say, Jack, yeah, you fucking stink. Now I am. Yeah, that wasp go up road. Oh, right, here we go.
Fez,
What?
what if they change?
If they change, they change. It's my own thick fault, isn't it?
Fucking real!
Yeah, do me a favour, hold that. You got me in face with them again. How did it end up back on my lap? Oh dear. Yeah, but I didn't even know what to say to me.
Laughing at you behind us.
Right, so it's raining. And I'm getting ready to do the headlights. I've got one out. There's 3 bolts. Like when you're inside. One there, and then one here. Got last owner. I've actually ruined that. So I've got that to sort. There's paint cracking. So I've got that to sort out. Oh well. Yeah. You push down on that and it pulls it out. It's easy as out. Now I've got a big hole in my bonnet. Let's see if I can get it done today. Right, so you guys, I've just cleaned the chrome ring and the headlight as well, because it was quite mucky. You guys that have never seen this, Plastidip, it's actually quite fun. All you do is usually spray it just like you would normal spray paint, but you start with a very, very fine layer. So that's like pretty much your first coat. Leave it to dry for a bit. And then spray your next layer. It's not cheap stuff neither, Plastidip. But I've wiped it down with alcohol, so it shouldn't really react. But you don't really have to mask up 100% brilliant. So anybody that's crap at masking, like myself, go for it, try it. Right, so third coat. Should be nearly done soon. But knowing me, it's not going to happen. It does look very, very, very blotchy, which kind of upsets me a little bit, because for the price of the paint, it is expensive. Like, really expensive. But anyway, this is the last coat that I'm giving it. Because I've put them on in quite thick layers, so we'll see how that goes. And I'll be back again when I'd like. But I've realised I go that fast, I've given my car a black eye. I probably found that more funny than what you did. But what we're saying, black or chrome? Personally, I prefer the black. I'm going to be doing that grill there, black as well. And black as well. The idea is to get all the trim done black. I need to replace this trim because, well, that's bad. And black boot. There we go. Today's job done. Gonna fix them tail lights as well. Right, so that's both of them done. Would I do anything different with them? Yeah, I think I put more coats on and just go steady with wear your mask. That one's come out a bit better. I put more coats on that, but you can still see like little chrome bits on the edge. Looks a million times better than just pure chrome. I've got that to do now, and I'm also going to do the main badge as well. I'll also sort that out, and then the chrome side strips. But I am getting another set of headlights, so I may actually get the other bits as well. But I've got that panel to sort out. I'm going to be doing something with that, I think. Same on the other side. And it needs a blooming clean. But we're all good. We're all good. I've got the side bits to dechrome as well yet. But I've got a different way of doing that. We'll see. But it must be an old age thing as well with this car, because the bolt on that side was screwed up too. Not as bad as that. It came out from the other end, it had just seized. But we're all good. There we go. Plastidip. Not a fan of the cans, to be fair. I prefer to use a spray gun. But lesson learned for next time.